I'm Matt Delcomyn. I live in Cle Elum, Washington, which is in the center of Washington, right on the east side of the Cascades. Love making pictures, photography, and did a BDR fundraiser ride a couple years ago down to Death Valley. And while I was down there, I met up with Sterling, and I said, hey, I'd love to fly a drone for you. And he said, all right, let's talk about that. This is by far the longest adventure trip I've ever been on. I would highly encourage anybody who's considering getting a big bike and doing one of these trips to do it, because it is the coolest way to see the country. Being in the back of the pack and seeing the group kind of undulate over these roads through the afternoon light is really incredible. And then you populate that with a very lush canopy of green and beautiful barns, and you just have this epic vista. The terrain here is so epic, and there's thick trees, so to be able to get above the canopy, basically being a bird, right? Bird's eye view is awesome. So that's what I got to experience the BDR as a bird.